the sky. Just how you can see, guys, focus on it with the automata focus, and very far away, that like a pole like this one. And when the picture is clear, just log on to a manual focus like that and zoom out, and you can see, you can search in the sky, guys, and the camera is never out of focus. When I go down, the camera is not never out of focus when if no cloud around you. No cloud in the sky, but when if there's some cloud patch or something and you want to follow that object, and you want to searching the sky like that, much better to tune before log on to the get it a manual for automata focus and log on when it's in the clear picture. It's just in the put the camera straight away to log on to the manual focus. Just log the camera. And now how you guys can see the picture is in the crystal clear, never out of focus, and you can capture it when it's visible. And now just I searching the sky, and just now I go to log on now. I pick up and another camera which one has got a filter fitted, but I saw something there, very high altitude, but I don't know. And I start to filming now with a IR fitted camera. Just one more time, I searching the sky and a strange cloud formation. But always they coming, go in and out from the cloud. That's why I stuck near to the cloud, and just one aeroplane is going too close to the Mascot Airport. There you can guys see what I tell you. It's crystal clear. When you can using in the with the manual focus. When you zoom in and out, very far away that aeroplane now. So when if you see something, you want to follow something, you see the little dot, straight away you must focus on it and zoom on it. And when in the camera is not out of focus, here you can see it's a beautiful crystal clear picture. Just zoom on it, and that came out straight away. That you can figure it out in the what you captured on a camera, bird or aeroplane or strange unidentified flying object. but sometimes I go into filming without a filter, fitted camera, that's no filter on it, just on the crystal clear color. When I'm lucky, I can capture something and I can share it to you guys. I have a lot of patience and I'm going to capture them. Automata focus, because then there's some cloud formation there. And when if you do zoom on it, you see in the little dot, white dot, straight away going to zoom on it. And you can figure out what you captured in this time, bird or aeroplane or UFOs. And now I zoom out and I go to another cloud. How you can see, guys, when if any cloud there, too many clouds, that the camera is never out of focus when you move the camera fast. Now just that left turn. I captured one, but this one could be anything. It's not looks like, that's like I captured something, but I can't see with the eye. I zoom out, they went inside the cloud. You guys can see this object is just changing a shape, or not a shape, change the direction, different. Just I get it now something. That's what I'm waiting for it. But this one could be anything. It's hard to see. They went inside the cloud, and how you guys can see it's very thick cloud.